Here we discuss about the methods of wage payments. There are three methods of how the wages can be given. It's time rated payment systems or the method, or the piece rated payment system, and balanced or depth payment system. So let's check which is the best one, and let's see the merits and the demerits of the each payment system. So initially it's with time rated payment system. So what exactly this means? In a single point I have mentioned it, work performed in a period of time. So for a period of time the payment will be given. Okay, simple statement. So when it comes to merits, it's simple and convenient method. Okay, fine. Most profitable method for employees, not for employers. Yeah, I will discuss later how this is more profitable for employees. Next, demerit, only for a specific category of employees this is a better option. Here efficiency of an individual cannot be calculated, which is a drawback for employer. Okay, this is about time rated payment system. Next, it's about piece rated payment system. Here we come, for a specific set of piece of work the payments will be given. So I mentioned output based works. When it comes to merits, simple and motivates employees. Yes, if the employee, independent of the time, if he can finish the work in a fastest and simple time, he will get the payment. So independent of the time, if the work is done, he will get the payment. So simple and motivates the employees. All categories of employees, it's applicable and it's suggestible part. Increased in productivity. So what does this productivity, how it is increased? So independent of the time, if they are highly skilled, the time taking process for this output will be so less. In a different analysis, it's productivity. What are the demerits? Proper working conditions are mandatory. So here the mandatory condition is, for sure the employee should be having a proper setup of working condition or machinery or the tools, etc. So then only they can make it a perfect output in independent of the time. So this is about piece rated payment system. When it comes to balanced depth payment system, this is a combination of both time rated and the piece rated. Here we have both the drawbacks and merits for both employees and employees. So they make a payment agreement for a specific time and the specific part of the output or the work to be done. If the employees fail to provide that output in a specific time that mentioned in an agreement or some kind of oral agreement, may not be a written agreement always. So if they fail to provide, they need to pay the compensation to the employers. So employers will save the money in terms of compensation if the employees fail to produce the work. So let's see the merits. Only helpful for efficient and hardworking employees. Yes, this is only for the efficient and hardworking. So if they fail to reach out the output in a specific time, they will lose it, right? So this is only suggestible for the efficient and hardworking. When it comes to demerit, all category employees cannot be suitable, as only all categories cannot be that efficient in working, right? Some may not be skilled because every labor cannot be skilled in specific category of a sector of work, right? So it is not suitable for all the employees. Risk of compensation by employees. Yes, if they fail to provide the work, they need to pay compensation. So risk of compensation is also a demerit for the employees. And when come to the third point of the demerit, work time period and payment ought to be correctly estimated. If the employer fail to estimate the time, work and the payment modes and their calculations, compulsory he need to pay the compensation. And also the employer will face a delay in the project, which is also a demerit from the employer side, the compensation by the employee side. So these are the methods of wages, how the wage payments can be given.